Hi, today we are going to learn about Genmo, a new AI that can generate videos and 3D animations from text and image. The videos and animations you see were all generated by Genmo AI. In this tutorial, I will introduce you to the powerful and lesser known AI called Genmo, which is actually a video and animation generator. It has features like text to video and even image to video. The Genmo AI allows you to generate amazing 3D animated videos without knowledge of software like Blender, Cinema 4D, Maya and others, without powerful hardware for rendering or spending a lot of time to learning software and gaining expertise. You can now turn your ideas into 3D animated videos with just a few text prompts. If you have many ideas for generating 3D animated videos, the Genmo AI now empower you to realize your dream. Using Genmo may sound unbelievable, but it provides Hollywood level filmmaking capabilities for free. And now you can captivate the world with your creative video productions and ideas. In this tutorial, I will teach you step by step how to use the Genmo AI. By the end of this tutorial, you will be familiar with the Genmo AI and able to work with it. You will easily be able to generate videos and 3D animations, bring your ideas into reality. After this intro and seeing sample videos generated with Genmo, it's now time for us to create one together. This is the Genmo AI website. At the top of the site, we see the slogan that magically make videos with AI, and slightly below there is a text box for entering prompts, and from the left menu we have access to the other features. To get started, we need to create an account on this site. So we can go to the bottom left section. Here you can sign up and log in either through Discord or via email. Now we are in the dashboard. In the central part of the site, a list of videos that I previously generated is displayed. To create the first video with the text to video service using Genmo AI, we need to select video from the left menu under the create section, which is active by default. Now at the bottom of the site there is a text box for entering prompts, and one interesting thing is there is a button that generates a random prompt for us. Let's test it by clicking on it. Wow, it generates a random prompt for us. And now I click on the submit button. Our prompt is placed in the view, and after a short while the first video is generated. There are options to play and maximize the video. The download button allows us to get the video for free, and the share button lets share the video link with others. Now let's take it more seriously. I have prepared a prompt and I paste it into the text box. For more control over generating the video, there is a hamburger icon at the bottom left of the text box. Now click on it, and now we have access to settings and parameters. If you intend to publish your video on various platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, Twitter or even YouTube, you need to determine the aspect ratio of the video. The aspect ratio section is set to auto by default. By clicking on its icon and adjusting the slider, you can set the aspect ratio to 9:16, 3:4, 1:1, 4:3, 3:2 and 16:9 according to your preference and the desired platform. In the duration section, you can increase or decrease the length of the videos with options for 2 seconds, 4 seconds and 6 seconds. The motion parameter is crucial for video animation. Higher values result in more detailed motion, while lower values provide more stable motion. By clicking on its icon and dragging the slider, you can adjust their value. And the next parameter is batch. Here you determine the number of generations in each batch. It is set to 1 by default, allowing you to submit multiple generations at once at a relaxed priority. The next important parameter is camera motion, which is set to off by default. With a simple click, it turns on, and you have the ability to control the camera with options such as zoom in, zoom out, roll clockwise or counterclockwise, and pan left and right, as well as tilt up and down. By clicking on the auto option from here, which is at the beginning of the settings, for each item you can take it out of auto mode and set the pan, zoom, roll, tilt values as desired. After these settings, I click on the submit button from here. Our prompt is queued, so wait a while for rendering, and after a short period the video is generated, and I just say about that, wow, that's amazing. I download one of them. Now click on the view tab for view my video in large scale with my my prompt, and for downloading just click on that button which says download. The Genmo AI website has another feature called image to video for allowing us to animate our images and transform them into videos or animation. Below to the prompt box there is a button named upload image. For loading images by using this option, I upload one of the image from my hard drive. After a short while, the uploaded image is loaded and its thumbnail is displayed. After this, by clicking on the hamburger menu from here, we need to adjust the parameter. The aspect ratio parameter is automatically set based on the image. In the duration section, we set the video's duration into 6 seconds. Down below that we have the important preserve parameter to images that can control a generated video to varying degrees. Sometimes you only want to set a broad composition. For example, by setting the cursor layout and color palette for the scene. In other cases, creators want to preserve the details of their input image closely. The preserved parameter determines how much the video resembles the uploaded image. Next is the motion parameter, higher for more detailed motion and lower for more stable motion. After this, we move on to the camera motion control. The camera section is initially set to off. By clicking on it, it turns on both the zoom and roll. I only adjust the zoom out for camera movement. After these settings, now I click on the submit button and the prompt is placed in the queue. So wait a while for rendering. After a short while, the video are generated. Now click on the view button from here, and as you can see, the videos are created based on the uploaded image and my settings including the camera zoom out motion. The results are satisfying and I proceed to download them by clicking on the download button from here. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you learned something new, please like this video, share your thoughts and results in the comment and share it with your friends to support the channel.